Okay, so what would you say to or potential clients who are concerned about parts that are made using reusable silicone technology being thinner?
What do you mean than using less resin?
Yes.
Well, using less resin isn't a bad thing. It's obviously economically a very good thing. But it means that there's more glass per millimetre, which is actually a much stronger bit of composite. The fact that you make it thicker is actually a poor quality. The only thing you get is stiffness. But stiffness does not mean strength. It means that you've basically got too much resin in there. Often people say to us that the fact that it's thinner, it's not so strong, which is in complete contrary to the reality. Using less resin, so it's lower cost, and it's giving you a stronger component. In this process, silicone membrane, we found without a doubt, every time by default, we get thinner molding, but with more glass fiber. And the more glass fiber, with the resin being a lower content, gives you a tougher molding. Some people think, oh, it's not thick enough, therefore it's not strong enough. No, composite parts in aeroplanes, for example, are incredibly thin, like 1 millimetre, but the fiber content is normally carbon fiber, but the fiber content is huge, and that's why they use that specification for aeroplanes, because it's stronger.